Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to buy Solana meme coin directly from the Phantom mobile app. Before diving into the Solana meme coin world, this is a quick and easy way to get started, so let's jump in. First, open the Phantom app on your phone. Make sure you have some Solana as well in your wallet because you will need to buy Bitcoin or like this and cover the transaction fees. If you don't have Solana yet, tap the deposit button, then or save button. Then copy your wallet address. Use the exchange like Binance and Coinbase or Qcoin to buy Solana and send it to this address. Once your Solana is in your wallet, it's time to swap it for Bitcoin or some meme coin like this. Uh, Now tap the swap button at the bottom of the app to choose Solana as the firm token. Into the field type bind or press the bind coin contact address if it doesn't appear automatically. Enter the amount of Solana you want to swap. Review the conversion rate and fees. Tap review order and then swap to confirm the transaction. After the swap, go back to your Phantom wallet's main screen and you should see the bind coins in the token list. If they don't show up immediately, you might need to add the token manually using it contact address. Before you start celebrating your meme coin gains, make sure your balance matched and the transaction has fully processed on the Solana blockchain. And that's it. You have just bought your first bind coins directly in the Phantom mobile app. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick crypto tips.